Hello! Did you know that you can open your business ID through Truster and we'll also take care of your bookkeeping for your Uber Eats drives? Let's see how easy it is to sign up.
Alright, let's start. Here's my email. Next I receive the code, then my phone number. Another code. Choose password. Agree. My city is Helsinki. And choose one of the delivery methods. Yep, with a car. Then my car make. BMW, of course. Model, year. Then of course the license plate. ABC123. Then they need, of course, my photo identity, national identity card or passport, and backside as well. Great. Next up, photo. Then my delivery bag. Can be another provider's bag as well. Make sure to include your ID. Yes, I want to use it. Next up, photo of my bank statement. Let's go. Vehicle insurance document as well, of course. They know you're insured. Let's go. And of course my driver's license as well. Nice. I want to use it. And then we need, of course, the tax details. Make sure to choose individual. Company name, that has to be the official name. Yes, street address, also the company's address. You can check it from ytj.fi, town, postcode as well. Country is automatic. Then important, do not check this box. Then your VAT number and then your social security number. Yes. Click on the disclaimer and submit. Then, of course, the terms and conditions. You have to read and approve them. And then we're done. That's how easy it is.
By the way, did you know that if you use Truster, you can find all your business-related details and information through our application?